Hello, welcome to another video. I'm cleaning my tracks today because they're a bit dirty, as you can see. So there's different ways to clean tracks. As possibly you know, there's the track rubber, and there's these track cleaning pads from Knock, which I use. I just put them onto the rear axles of a Lilliput coach, and I'm going to add some isopropyl alcohol to the one of the pads, like so. There you go. Yep, and then it's just a case of getting the coach onto the track, like so. Right, here we go. Right, couple up together, and now to get the loco to pull it around. Just move that out of the way. Don't want it to get knocked. When I bought my first marking set, I was told that you didn't have to clean the tracks at all. That was just a bit of hyperbole on the part of the salesman, as you do. Otherwise, you get stuttering and that, especially on some locos with short wheelbases. But here we go, and we're away cleaning the track. So we'll leave that running for a bit, and we'll see how it goes on. Incidentally, the locomotive pulling this train was the first Marklin locomotive I bought, and it was part of the Europa freight set. It came with the OMV tanker wagon and a Railion gondola car. And speaking of cars, I've got a derailment. Just press the stop button, put it back on, and away we go again. Well, there you go, that's how I clean my tracks, and hopefully looks like I might have to go in with the track rubber, and it looks like I'm going to have to take that second coach off and have a look at what's up with it. That's what's causing the derailment. So that's going to have to be repaired. I'll put that over there for now and leave it going. So there we go, that's cleaning away nicely. Could actually do with a spring because it's just dragging at the moment, but it is hopefully getting the grease and that off the track, although I might give it a going over with the track rubber in a bit. Well, there we go. And as I said before, that's how I clean my track. Combination of track rubber and track cleaning pad. Right, with combination of track rubber and cleaning pads with isopropyl alcohol, the track is now clean. I'm just finishing off running with the track cleaning coaches just because I want to. I've had to take the cobblestones off that part of the level crossing because it kept on impeding the DHG shunter. I'm also looking at putting a light into the. I'm also looking at putting a light into the signal box, so that's lit up. I think in the next few days I might look at starting doing some landscaping and doing a bit of build up. The water tower is from a Built Easy kit from 1979. I've still got a few bits to finish on it, but looks alright at the moment. Yes, it does need a few bits sticking to it though. So yes, it's coming along nicely. Now the track's clean, I can have more reliable running. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, give it a like. If you liked it very much, then subscribe and press that bell for notifications of the next video. If you didn't like it, then toss it a dislike. Makes no difference to me. Thanks for watching, and hopefully there'll be another video along shortly.